Hey everyone, in this video I will be showing you how you can build a website and start making some money by posting some blogs, and you can monetize this website and you can start earning. So in this video we will be creating a website like this one. So as you can see, it's a blog website where you can add blogs to your website and you can start making some money. So let's start making this website. So first of all, visit bluehost.com by the link in the description to get some discount. And after visiting the link, you have to simply click on get started. And here you will see the plan for your website which you can choose. So basically, it depends what kind of website do you want to run. If you want to run a single website, then here you can see in the basic plan you get one website with 50 GB SSD storage, and in plus plan you can create unlimited website with unlimited SSD storage. So it's up to you if you are going to run one website or more than one website. So I will recommend choosing basic plan if you are beginner, but if you are expert then you can go for plus plan. So I'm going to click the basic one. You have to click on select, and here you can choose a domain for your website. And as we know, we are going to create a website that where we can start making some money. So let's suppose you want to search for anything. I'm putting some random number, and make sure you search for .com domain at the end because it matters a lot. So or you have your domain already, you can use it here, but I'm going to search for new. As type any domain name what you want and click next, and you will get 1 year domain name free in basic plan, and after that you can renew it. And here you can see our domain name is available. Now you can simply sign in with Google, or you can put the details like first name, last name, and country and phone number. And here you can see in the package information it default selected to 36 month, but you can select up to 12 month. So it's up to you, but if you will select 36 month, you will have to pay less, like see here 2.75 per month. But if you select for 12 month, you have to pay $4.95 per month, but I'm going to select this one, and it's a cost for 12 month. And if you scroll down, you will see the package extras option, which you can see you can simply uncheck these both because we don't need these plugins. So uncheck this and this will reduce your price. And if you want to tear down some more price, then you can simply uncheck this one also, and it's a privacy protection option. If you want to keep your information private, that marketers don't get your domain information, then you can simply keep this check. But if you want to decrease some more money right here, you can simply uncheck this and turn it off, and it will reduce more cost. And here you can add some payment information, your credit card number, and all the information put here. And after putting all the information, you have to click on here, right here, and click on submit. After clicking submit, you will see a payment receipt like this one. You have to scroll up and you will see create your account button. You have to click on create your account. After that, you will see option like this one. Here you will be have your domain name, and you can create a password which you can use for login, and create a strong password. And after that, click on create account, and during this you have to verify your email. And you have, as you can see, your account will be verified. Now if you visit Bluehost, you will see a pop-up like this one. Your account is ready to go. Now you can log in. So click on go to login, and you will see a page like this one. Here you can put your domain name and the password which you have created before. And after putting the information, you have to click on login, and here you will see a pop-up create your website. So you have to simply click on create your website. After that, you will see some options which you can choose, or you can simply skip. So I'm going to skip these steps. And here you can also choose a category for your website, or you can simply skip and choose a category later. but you can choose here as well. And here again, click on skip this step, click on skip. You will see a page like this one. How would you like to build your WordPress site? So here are basically two options. First one is choosing WordPress only, and second one is choosing with WordPress plus Bluehost website builder. So if you want to save your time, and then you can select this option, but I'm going to choose WordPress only because it will give us limitless customization. So click on this one, get started, and here you can simply name your site how to Wi-Fi, and you can add a tagline as well, or you can simply leave it blank. And here you can choose some plugins for your website, but I'm going to choose none and click next. And it will take some time. You will see this option and you will be redirected to your WordPress admin panel. As you can see, if you visit our site, you can see the default template by the WordPress. Now let's change the theme of our website. Go to appearance and then go to themes. Here you will see the themes. Now you can click on add new theme, or you can select from these, but I'm going to add a new theme. So click here, add new theme, and from here you can choose a theme from your website. So let's choose let's suppose search for news mag, and so you can see you can choose one of these, or if you want to choose a theme which comes with a predefined template, so you can use a plugin. So go to plugin and go to add new, and here we will use a plugin that can be set as website builder, which is Elementor, and we will choose a starter template. So search for Astra, and here click on starter templates and install now. And after installation we have to active this plugin. Click on active. After that, scroll down and click on see library in the starter template, and it will load us the templates. Here you have to choose the Elementor. It's the best page builder which you can choose to customize your website. So choose Elementor. Now here are all the templates which you can choose for your website. So you have to click on free one, and now you can search for the template. I'm going to search for news, so or search for blog, and now you can see there are some templates with blog, or you can choose from one of these as well. And from here you can choose the category specific to blog, and here you can see there are two main templates for blog. So let's choose this template. So click on import complete site, and here you have to answer some simple question and your installation will be started. So as you can see, select any one of these. So I'm going to click this one, and you can select here, or you creating for yourself or your client. So I'm going to select myself and click next. Here you can put your first name, your work email, but if you don't want to put, you can simply skip click on skip, and it will start installing the theme to our website. So it will take up to 2 or 3 minutes depending on your web hosting. So let's wait for the process to be finished. Here you can see the website imported successfully. So visit the website to see how it looks. Here you can see our website is now looking like this one. So it's not a simple website anymore. So now if you want to change some area right here, or if you want to add your content, you can simply do this by clicking on edit with Elementor right here. So click on here. Here you can edit the design, or you can simply edit the text as well. So let's suppose on style with you can type anything. So if you want to change this background image, so you have to click on simply this one, edit section, and then go to style, and from here you can change the image. So suppose we want to select this right here, so click on here and click invert media. As you can see, the background has been changed. Now you can add a background overlay as well if you want to. You can change the opacity, that how much opacity you want. And let's suppose you want to add a section, right? Let's suppose you want to add a section right here, so click on plus icon, and from here click on here plus, and from here choose a structure, that what kind of template you want to add. So let's add a simple structure, so click on plus icon again, and here you can add some divider. Let's suppose we want to add a divider, so it will show us like this one. So scroll down and let's add a new section right here. Click on plus icon and plus, and select maybe this option as well, and from here click on plus icon, and let's add a form, a contact form, and it will be shown right here. Okay, and here let's suppose we want to add Google Maps, so drag it right here, and now you can see it's added. And from here you can change the height as well. If you want to increase the height or decrease the height, you can completely do this by here. And if you want to remove a section, so you have to simply click on section, and you can remove it by here, so it will be removed. So after making all the changes, you can simply click on update, and if you want to change this logo right here, you can do this by clicking on here and go to site setting and go to site identity, and from here you can choose image. So we have uploaded an image before, so let's choose from here. You can upload again if you want. So I have uploaded an image, so as you can see, insert media, and it will be shown right here. If not, we can change this section by the WordPress admin panel. So if we refresh our website, so you will see the changes right here. As you can see, our website logo has been added, and now you can see it's completely looking fine. So that's how you can change the information. And let's suppose you want to add some blogs, so you can go to blog, and here is your first post. Now let's add a post. If you want to add a blog post, you have to go to dashboard, and from here you can add a post. From here you have to go to post and add new. Here you can add a title and as description as well. So let's add title test post, and here you can add some description. So if you want to add a image, you can click here, and from here you can choose any image. So let's choose this image, and this image, click set image, and after putting all the details, you have to simply click on publish, and click on publish, and you can view post by here. You will see our test post. So if you go to blog page, you will see this is our post right here, and this is the second post, and this is the third post. So that's how you can add posts to your website. So as you can see, this will be shown right here. So you can start making money by adding posts to your website. After setting up your website, you have to simply click on right here, and from here you can launch your website. For now it's not launched yet, so you have to click here, and here you can follow some steps. You can start customizing your home page, adding contact page, adding about page, but I'm going to simply launch. So you have to go to the last step, and from here you can simply launch your site. So now your site is live. That's all for now. Like the video, subscribe to the channel, and see you in the next video.